What tears Greenheart's farms apart from the rest is its ability to increase crop yields without using pesticides. There are 8 large-scale greenhouses operating on this farm, producing high-quality vegetables like chilies, capsicums, tomatoes, and cucumbers. And what's really special is its highly sustainable plastic-free packaging.
The reason for getting into Dubai, into the market, is that we want to show that it's not only Malaysia, but we have a product which is ready to be exported to Middle East, Southeast Asia, any other country, because of non-chemical, pesticide-free, grown in a proper way with a very nice flavor. We think the other parts of Asia are really interested to get access to this kind of quality of vegetables. So that's why we're here in Dubai to promote our produce of Greenheart farms. With the technology we use, we can increase production between 5 to 7 times compared to conventional farming without the use of pesticides, but with the use of knowledge and training of our staff and people. So for instance, for chilies, normally a production in kilos per square meter in Malaysia is between 2 to 2.5 kilos per square meter. We are up to 12 to 15 kilos per square meter. So there is a big difference in production numbers which we can increase by using this kind of technology in Malaysia, and also because of its consistent climate in Malaysia, which is one of the unique parts in the world of Cameron Highlands, where we can grow vegetables 365 days a year. One of the very unique things we have at Greenheart Farm is all the sensor technology for irrigation and setting of the greenhouses. One of these unique things, of course, is our irrigation system, where they have sensors in the farm, and the sensors will tell our computer if the plant is hungry, thirsty, if there's enough humidity, if there's enough of airflow, and our computer system will control all these inputs. This is being data analysis is being done on a computer, and based on what we want to happen to the plant, we tell the computer, and based on this setting, the computer knows what to do to the plant, what is the best for the plant. For other people to come and join with us in our company, we can look for different regions for different solutions. So if it's more hotter in your area, it's more colder in the area, we know how to calculate what is the right crop to grow or what is the right technology to use for that particular area. So there are a lot of opportunities to work with us, to become contract growers with us, where we teach you part of our technology. We are in technology transfer is what we do. What we have a program is called contract farmers. Contract farmers is where the farmer already has the land, for instance. There are opportunities if they just have land that we have some collaboration with some banks that the bank could finance the whole thing if with the right thing, and where we will guarantee production will be good. We'll give an estimation of minimum amount of kilos. We give a guarantee buyback price for the production. So this will make it very interesting for people to invest in it, because you've got a confirmed ROI of your investment.
Bentong ginger, the cultivation of this variety, began to see its commercial value only in the 1960s. Ever since the advent of sustainable farming methods, the industry continues to grow.
Dubai Expo, as everybody knows, is one of the largest expo in the world. And this year is about plus minus about 100 countries participating in this. So this is a good opportunity for us as a small company willing to grow. And of course, again, there is new technologies coming up and sustainability, opportunities for us to learn from the Expo as well. It's not only by participating, but also we want to learn a few things that can suit our company growth. Our expectation from the Expo, to be honest with you, I can feel personally it's tremendous. In sense of this is unique product that Tamara Nanotech producing. Also, we have a new technology that also presenting at the Expo as well. How our product not only because it's agricultural and not only on this traditional way, but also we are putting it in a new way of form for the future.
We at Tamara Nanotech, we cultivate Bentong ginger in 2 methods. One is traditional and one is modern cultivation technology in controlled environment. When it comes to helping MAFI, we first use MAFI support with the institution, research institution under MAFI. We get assistance from them in terms of technology. After that, we would like to become a role model to the local farmers. Traditionally, Bentong ginger is cultivated on soil where 5 years of soil rejuvenation period is needed for every season. Where ours in fertigation, we can plant continuously.
Well, it's very simple. Companies always looking for opportunities like our company, young, doing something a bit different than others. You know, I don't think so. Anybody heard about Bentong ginger to go cross-border, and this is the very significant way of doing things today. So I believe if I'm an investor, I will tap on Tamara nanotech product for the future. Technology requires a lot of energy, and it's been used primarily earlier days. It's been used for NASA, for the astronaut, so they can take dry fruit but 100% nutrition contained. So today we're doing this process because it's unique ginger. That's why. Number one. Number two is to cross border to export it to other part of the world and to stay that freshness of the Bentong ginger. As you know, if you export it fresh, it may last only a month or maybe less than a month. Then after that, that's it. So, but when you do freeze-dry technology, it will last on the shelf up to 3-4 years. And again, freeze-dry, it contains 99.9% of all the nutrition and minerals inside the Bentong ginger, yes.
The future potential of Bentong ginger, once we are able to educate the global or the world, it will be very huge impact, positive impact on the local farmers' environment and also Bentong ginger itself.
From conventional farming to plant cartridge, which aims to disrupt the agriculture industry by providing the tools and platforms for every household to grow their own food. Now, isn't this a great solution to the global food shortage?
Well, my expectation will be want to meet more potential partners and introduce them our plant cartridge technology so that we can bring our technology to the world. Plant cartridge system, we use a cartridge system. Okay, basically it's like an Nespresso of plant. So basically, our system, we use this cartridge is plant driven. Okay, and it's easier for plant to absorb their nutrients and their water in our system compared to traditional farming. So with this system, it grows faster by 30% and less wastage. Okay, less media. Compared to traditional, we use about 5 kilos of polybag of media, where this is only 50 grams. So basically, less carbon wastage. Okay, by using plant cartridge technology system, we can help empower and enable farmers to modernize sustainable agriculture and also smoothen their traditional farming to lighter workload. Well, first we have a unique technology, okay, and then from our technology compared to traditional, there's a lot of R&D been done. Okay, we've been doing this R&D since a few years back, 2 to 3 years back, and come up with a solution to stop wastage and low carbon footprint, and we can maximize the produce with our technology as well. So I think this would bring benefit to people and investors as well, because it's very important that the future needs food security, where things are getting more expensive, and we wouldn't want people for the country to import so much food from overseas, where we can grow our own food.
The digital transformation is changing the agriculture industry at a rapid pace. Now, what all these businesses are doing and doing well is improving health, raising productivity, and saving money.